Hey YouTube, it's me Florida Cards, and today we're going to be opening a box of 2021-2022 Optic Basketball. 5 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. We're going to look for the ultra rare checkerboard prisms and 7 inserts or prism parallels. Let's hope to find one of the better cards. There's our packs right there. 5 cards per pack. Let's get our first pack open. Got a Tyrese Halliburton, Zion, James Wiseman, Joe Wieskamp rookie, and a splash of James Harden. Second pack. Okay. Joe Ingles, Kevin Durant, Sadiq Bey, Josh Christopher rookie, and an express lane of LeBron. Third pack. Got a Cameron Johnson, Seth Curry, Mikal Bridges, Jeremiah Robinson Earl rookie, and a silver of MPJ. All right. Kenyon Martin Jr., MPJ. Got a Klay Thompson and a purple Steph Curry. And then express lane of Bradley Beal. That's a nice Steph Curry. All right, second to last pack. Got a Darius Garland, Malcolm Brogdon, a Day'Ron Sharpe rookie, Devontae Graham, and a splash base of Zach LaVine. Last pack, let's hope we can get one of the better rookies or a nice parallel like we hit with the Curry. LeBron would be nice. All right. Got a Josh Hart, Al Horford, Jason Preston rookie, Lonzo Ball. There we go, silver Cade. Best hit of the box. A little bit off center, top to bottom, but it's all right. We got a Cade. Definitely the best hit of the box. All right. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and bye.